If you want to create a professional website for your business in under an hour, this is how you do it. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be using EasyWPress by Namecheap. This is purely just because it's what I know. I use it for all of my WordPress sites, as all of my domains are stored on Namecheap. So let's get started. Just create your outline of your website so you get your WordPress panel. And the first thing we're going to do is just add some new plugins. So we want Elementor. Let's find that. The important thing is if you're new to WordPress is once you press install, you have to wait and then press activate. I missed that early on in my WordPress days. So let's just skip this. Elementor is very easy to use, so don't get too concerned. And the next one is Astra. This is where all of your themes are, like template themes we'll use for this website. So let's install that, get that ready, and remember to press activate. So now what we're going to do is go to themes, add new, and then search Astra. So this is it, Astra, not Astral. Install. Let that install. Activate. That's always important to press activate, otherwise you will mess up and not get them. So now what we want to do is go to plugins, and here we'll see Astra Starter Sites C Library. Click Elementor, because that's what we're using. And here you'll see a range of templates you can use for your site. The ones that say agency, you have to pay to use. So what you can do is click free. And all of the sites that are shown are, well, you guessed it, they're free. So if we have a scroll down, find one you like. For this, let's just use this one. So now you get to see it. This is what you get. You get all of this included. So here you want to make sure they're all ticked. If it's new, I always just use this just to get rid of any basic WordPress thing that might be installed. So now let's import, and now I'll be back in 2 seconds while this is done. So now the website is set up, let's view it and see what we have. So as you can see, we have the template what we saw. Let's just go on the other pages to make sure it's all working. We have an about page. Lovely. Oh, look at this, what you get with it too. Beautiful. Services, we're just checking it's all working. Lovely. Yep, there's where your blog posts go. Contact, that contact form works too, so that's really good to have on your website. Request a quote, now it goes to this page. So you'll notice this toolbar here. The first few things you're going to want to do is just click edit page. This is the default WordPress one. Oh, back to WordPress editor. Whoopsies, I pressed the wrong button. We want to press customize. That's the one. This is the default WordPress. So I had a brain fart. So you're going to want to change the logo, and if you just use edit with Elementor, I don't believe you can. So you want to edit, and that's where you can edit your logos, you can edit your tagline, you can edit your site's title. So where it says just another WordPress site, that's what's edited there. Change for different devices, blah blah blah, but that's default WordPress. So let's now go into Elementor. Let it load. Now, as you can see, business website 101. You can change anything. You can change the link. So if you wanted that to take you to the /contact page, let's update. And now what we're going to do is go to our website. As you can see, it's changed, and more info now takes us to the contact page. So these can be changed. These images can be changed. Portfolio, view products, everything on this can be changed. As you can see here, it's broken down into sections. You can edit the whole section. You can delete these because you haven't worked with them. You can delete whole sections. You can delete semi-bits in the section. Whoops. Like this. And then what will happen once you delete these is, because it's laid out that way, you want to change the layout. So it's just 2, or however yours is doing. So I just hit the mic. Here's your footer. You can change your footer on the default WordPress. So this is basically how I set up all of my business websites. And if you really knuckled down to get it done, you could get your business website up and running professionally in less than an hour. If you want a video on where to make your logos professionally, just leave a comment and I'll show you where that's done. But that's how you can get your business website up and running in less than an hour. You can get business websites up for clients in less than an hour. The only hard thing about this is the writing. You know, you want to add your own custom writing to the website, filling it up and putting all the information in. The rest is done for you. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was useful, because it is something I really wish I knew when I first got into business. So yeah, leave a like if it helped. The description will contain a bit more written information, a bit step-by-step tutorial. But yeah, have a great day. Bye.